Okay. Good evening. Today we're going to take your speaking test 4. Okay? What's your name?
My name is Chizun.
Chizun. How old are you?
I am 9 years old.
9 years old. How are you today?
I am fine.
You are fine. Okay. Now, I want you to look at this photo and tell me what must or mustn't you do. Example, you mustn't eat here. What about the others?
You must tell this must
Sentence, you must wash your hand.
you mustn't take photo. You mustn't go swimming. You must
Okay, you must put your litter in the bin. Okay. Next. I want you to describe this photo here. Use there was or there wasn't, there were or there weren't. Example, there weren't any motorbikes in picture A. Give me other photo, description.
they weren't plane in picture A. They weren't they were car they were car in picture B. They weren't any train in picture A. There weren't any bus in picture A. There weren't any car in picture A.
Do you have more?
There were any shop in picture A.
Okay. Now, I want you to look at this photo here and tell me 4 other differences in the photo. Example, in picture A, the boy is holding a robot, but in picture B, the boy is holding a puppet. What other 4 differences can you say?
The picture A was smaller, but picture B was big. Plate is yellow, but the plate, but picture B plate color red.
Rob?
picture A, rock, color green, bus, rock, picture B, race. The boy hold rubber in picture A, bus, boy, oral, puppies, picture B.
Now, look at the flower.
The
Leaves.
the bean,
Leaves.
the bean leaf fall.
4 leaves.
Falling, bus, picture A, picture 3 leaf.
Okay. Thank you so much, and that's the end of your speaking test. Goodbye.
Goodbye.